need money and vibes, don't need none of that toxic shit. My social battery gone, I gotta stay out the mix. I'm tryna be so rich.
Yeah.
My enemies after
Acting like you love me, knowing this flaw, so I'm gon' fake it too. What else am I supposed to do? Aware of my surroundings, don't fuck with y'all, don't come around me. Baby switched up, how that sound? Like a nigga in this feelings. You can't name something I did flaw, I'm a dying breed of the realest. I ain't never worried about another nigga, so in that case I'm the
Egyptian caught in a sleeping peace while you speak of me. Disorientated reality has become like